So this is like one of the first ones you see when you walk in. It's a black one, and it's lot number 10, and it's beautiful. Let's check it out. So we are inside lot number 10, and this is the 1XL wide. And let me tell you, this is amazing in here. From how tall it feels like there's just so much space above me, because there is. And the windows are just huge. Like this might be the best unit, but this is only the second one I've been in right now. And anyway, let me show you. Let me just show you. So I'm up here in the smaller loft. This one actually has a little bit less headroom, but it's still really nice and spacious for a sleeping loft. And I normally do not like tiny house sleeping lofts because there's not enough height. But with this one, it's honestly kind of different. Let me show you when we get over here to the larger loft and see, because it steps down. See, and then you've got a little bit more space. I'm hunched over. If I sit in bed, I've got tons of space. This is an awesome bedroom, and if I'm usually totally against tiny house lofts, but if it's one like this one, I'll consider it. This is different. There's even a closet here, which is really nice. Built-in side tables, and I'm pretty sure this is a huge king bed right here. And don't worry, there's blinds installed throughout the whole house. I don't know if these are like, there's a street right there, and the cars are going pretty fast, and you can hear them. But this house is like the closest to the road, and these windows are pretty good because you can't hear it that much. And there's also like trees and stuff in between the road. But I'm just really impressed, and I've always wanted to be in one of these lofts, in one of these 1XL lofts, so I'm really happy about it. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Black Escape 1XL tiny house at the Escape Tampa Bay Tiny House Village. It's actually near Tampa. It's in this town that's really hard to pronounce. And so, anyway, if you want to learn more about this village, we have a full video all about it. Link is in the description. So we're at the tiny house village in Tampa, and we've got a bunch of tiny homes here. Got some more here, and there's one more going in at the very end that's not there yet. This unit, this is unit 2. We've got 1, 2, 3. This one right here gets a lot of shade. This is, by the way, like the clubhouse, you know? This is like a workspace. You can do, there's a desk in there, and then that's kind of like a living room hangout, you know? And then this way, you walk right this way, it's unit number 3. And there's going to be unit number 4 right here. It's unit number 5 right there. And then we've got one of my favorites, which is not really a unit. It's just this little thing right here. And this one will probably go with this one, but it's kind of like a thorough cabin. I'll show you inside that later. And then we've got this unit, which is kind of a rare one-off manufactured home with 2 bedrooms. And what's that? That's number 6. Then we got 7, 8, 9, and 10 at the front. And that's it. So if you want to see all of that and a little bit more in more detail, just check out the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks. Bye.
Black.